In this demo, I'll walk through how we can easily connect to FedEx API within Jira Service Management using OnLink AI. OnLink AI is a Forge native app that allows to make API calls, external API calls within Jira Service Management. The first step is to establish the connection to FedEx API. We have the template created for the FedEx API. So in this case, in order to connect to FedEx, we need to establish a OAuth connection, and for that we need the client ID and the client secret. In the video description, I will refer to the FedEx API documentation on how to get these parameters. Once you have these values entered, you can validate the connection using the test feature. This will let you know if we are able to connect to the FedEx API successfully. Once the connection is established, we can add the FedEx methods to the post functions directly. This way, you can automate workflows where we can generate a shipping label when an issue transitions to a specific step, or when a human approval is complete, we can automatically generate a shipping label and attach it to the ticket. So this avoids that human activity of generating shipment labels and can be tightly integrated to any workflow within Jira Service Management. Let's say in this case, I want to add it to this particular specific transition. In the post function setup, we have exposed all our methods to select. So for example, here, let me add a post function where I can select OnLink AI, and the system will list out the systems and the methods that I can quickly configure. I'll select FedEx here, and in the load from template, I can specify the create shipment method, which we have already pre-configured for, and the system will list out the parameters required to generate the JSON request. Here, if you notice, we support variable substitution. So if you follow this syntax, the system will replace this particular value, placeholder with the value from the custom field. You can also generate custom JSON request based on the method that you support. You can once you are able to generate the JSON request, you can test, and any return JSON response you can map to the Jira ticket. This way, you can automate common workflows such as creating a shipment label, tracking a very specific order, finding out the shipment rate for a specific package, etc., or common use cases that customers use our app to within Jira Service Management. Hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.